to separate data in Excel based on criteria. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the row you want to separate data in. Then click on Data. In Data, click on Filter. After that, arrow will be shown. Simply click on arrow and select any criteria you want. Suppose if I click on X and then press on OK, as you can see, only X data will be available. And if there is only tick mark in FR, only FR will be available. And that's how to separate data in Excel based on criteria. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.